Sup everybody, it's another mystery. Today is a mystery that I'm hoping to solve a problem with, because when we use this, which is a PS3 Slim, or when we use this, which is the PS4, these days, you'll notice this in coming series, they kick off a lot. They get fucking loud. And I've concluded that they must need cleaning. There must be a shit ton of dust up in them. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take them apart while smoking and drinking and we're going to clean them. Right, let's do it. Okay, here is a PS3. This is a super slim. What we're going to be using today is screwdrivers and a can of compressed air. I've never done this before, so this will be fun. Right, first things first, let's remember. This is supposed to slide off. I've done that, there we go. Right, that comes off, and there's a little bit of dust, nothing too major. That's the hard drive. If you've got a 12 gig version, you won't have one of those. But why the fuck would you have a 12 gig version, for fuck's sake? Right, first things first, unscrew that. Obviously you want to keep all of these screws nice and safe. And put that there. Let's see. That should come out. Come on. There we go. Oh, look at it, little baby. And it is a bit dusty, so straight away. Get off. Oh. Lovely. Right. What the fuck do I do next? Turn it over, I think. Screwdriver tap. Long ass screws. I can't even see what I'm pointing at. Look, see that? It's a screw, it's long. Straight out, nice and simple. Keep it aside, keep it safe. Come in here. That's what I've actually done. Yeah. Number 3. So there's 3. There's 3 of them. Right, that's done. Now what do? Oh, you flip it. Time to get in here. Now, in here, we've got special screws. I think they're, what are the T's? It's a T. It's a T8, that's the one. And I've got one of them here. It's got this little star thing going on. Well, you can make that out, probably not. Who cares? Anyway, we'll pop that in, and then nothing happens. Nothing happens at all. Let's try the T7. Nothing happened. What the fuck, man? Right, I've seen recommendations. You get like a 3mm flathead, you should be able to get away with it. And yes, that's actually much more successful. How ridiculous. You know what, man? This is just the worst. Because you're spinning, but you're not coming out, are you? I want to understand why. It goes round and round and round and nothing happens. Right, at this point, we should be able to take these off, which is fun in itself. This is another thing. Slight clips inside. Oh wait, no, missed one. Missed 3, in fact. Here. 1, 2, 3. More of those T ones, but seeing as that's not really proving to be very good, just going to go ahead and use the flathead. Right. Is that the same length as the others? Or the other? Yes, it is. go. Right, lift this bit up, right? Here. And there are little clips in there you don't want to fuck up. So what you need to do is be able to slide it over. Have I missed something over here? No, I don't believe I have. Lift it up a bit. And it slides. It slides. It fucking Jesus Christ! Wow, that's filthy. You see, this is what I'm talking about. Look at that, Jesus! Any wonder we've been having so much trouble? Fuck! It's like when I went through all my Bioshock stuff and I pulled the box off for Jesus. For the Songbird, it was just a fucking wreck. I mean, fucking hell, it's disgusting. Anyway, have I broken that in any way, by the way? No, it looks fine. It's dusty. Right, now theoretically, then do the same over here. Oh, that was much easier, and that's not quite as bad either. Bit dusty, nothing too shambolic. Right. Now we need to get in here. And that involves screw. So many screws. Get a smaller crosshead. Phillips if you prefer. Obviously there are probably much more quick and concise tutorials on YouTube for doing this. Why are you not coming out, you son of a bitch? And also ones that don't feature quite so much swearing. Oh, fuck you. Moving on. Yeah, pliers then. Because, like I said, they're unscrewed. Just not coming out. I wonder why. Keep turning it. I mean, I can see it's unscrewed. Just won't bloody come out. There we go. What's the deal? Wow. They're stuck because they're filthy. Actually covered in dust. That's the problem. Look. You see the end of that? Minging, man. So we'll take care of that as well in a minute. There we go. There's that one. Now I'm gonna fucking get this little bugger out. Ah, just like that. Simple. Can't believe how disgusting these are. And I've lost the other one, haven't I? Oh no, it was there. It's fine. Right. Does that mean you're gonna come off now? Everything that should be off is now off. Oh, there he goes. Yep, snap that. Not sure it's relevant. Okay, right. We're off. Fuck. Right. First of all, that's not good. Second of all, fuck. Just fuck. No, don't blow back in the system. That is just disgusting. fuck's sake. So yeah, anyway, that's getting into a PS3, kind of. I'm going to stay here and clean this for a little while. We'll cut back. I'm about to rip open the PS4. Sounds fun, doesn't it, eh? Sounds good, sounds fun, sounds enjoyable. Let's do that. Right. PS3 is done. That was just the fucking worst. I did not have a nice time. Anyway, this is a lot easier. Look, check this out. Boom! It's not that big an issue, this, really. This is your hard drive bay, by the way. Again, you got a little screw here, which has got the PlayStation symbols on, which is kind of nice. Right? You can unscrew that one, and that'll let you take out your hard drive. And you can swap it out for a bigger one if you like, or get a bit of a clean in there, but I don't think it's probably going to be that bad in there. Nothing I can't just spray out. That's that. Anyway, you know what I mean? So anyway, the bulk, the main issue, the thing that we're here for. Where are the screws? The screws, right. This will void your warranty, something to bear in mind. Your screws, you see, are under stickers. There we go, there's one. There's the other. Is there three? Yeah, here's the third. Oh, shite. There we go. It's a thick fucker, that one. Now, I've had my PS4 pretty much since launch, so I'm not bothered about voiding the warranty, because I don't think I've got one anymore. Those screws continue to be bullshit. The screwdrivers I have that are supposed to fit don't work. Let's use this one again. Oh, look at that. It's not working either. Fantastic. Oh, why do you hate me? All I want to do is clean the fucking thing. You'd think it would be up for that, wouldn't you? But no. There we go. Use proper screwdriver, and it works all of a sudden. Perfect. Right, 3 of these. Really little dinky buggers, one. Tiny. Oh shit, tiny. Come on, don't be a dick. Oh fuck. There we go. I'm getting this off. Okay, right. Stop it. If I remember right, that should be everything there is to it. This can be quite a tricky bugger, but I don't know, look, it's coming up without too much fuss. One side at least. Come on. Did I miss a screw? I don't think I did. Looks like I did. Let's not fuck that up. Right. So it's 4 of those, not 3, as I just said previously. It picks and chooses, I'm telling you, as to which screwdriver it wants to work. Anyway, that's them. Move the sink out of the way. Okay. For fuck's sake. And up she comes. Piece of piss. That's not that bad in there. I mean, that could be a lot nicer, I'll be honest. But that's what we have this for. Immense improvement. Right, I've got some dust over here on this cable, a bit going on in the fan. Nothing compared to the PS3, but it's nowhere near as old, is it? So can't really worry about that too much. What this cable is? I don't want to know. I really don't want to know. Now you can go even deeper, right? Under all this shit, you can get into your heat sink and whatnot. I am not going to do that. You want to do that? That's your fucking prerogative. You go right ahead and check another YouTube video, because I just want to clean out my fan. Because that is where I believe most of my problems are stemming from. I tell you what, this stuff doesn't half make you fucking choke. Highly flammable is compressed air. Mega improvements. And something went ding. Don't know what it was. Don't want to know. Oh, there's some built up filth in the corner here. Not anymore, there fucking isn't. Beautiful. Beautiful. See, I had to take a Q-tip into the PS3 fan. Not to bother with this one. Simple as shit. So that'll go back on, hopefully nice and easy. You're gonna go on for me. Come on, don't be a bitch. I'm doing all this for you. Is that right? Feels right. I mean, it's wrong, obviously. There we go. Now we're talking. Simple. Screws back in, cover back on. Oh shit, I've just put stickers everywhere. Job's a good one. That's how you clean out a PS3, Super Slim, and a PS4. Be more careful than I was. Peace! Where, there, yes!